Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. In this video I am going to show you how to fix driver issues in Windows 11. Windows 11 may not be compatible with some older drivers. If you are experiencing driver issues in Windows 11, here are some steps you can take to fix the problem. So let's get started. Before moving forward, remember to always create a system restore point before making any changes to your system, so you can easily roll back any changes if necessary. If you don't know how to create a system restore point, then here's a certain tutorial for you. However, now let's take a closer look how you can fix driver issues in Windows 11. Number 1. Check for update. Make sure your device is up to date with the latest Windows 11 updates. Often new updates include fixes for driver issues. Okay, as you can see, after checking for updates, Windows was successfully installed the driver for this unknown device. Number 2. Check the device manager. Open the device manager by right click on start menu. Look for any device with yellow exclamation mark or a red X next to them which indicates a problem with the driver. Right click on the device and select update driver to download and install the latest driver. Alright, as you can see the message, Windows was successfully updated your drivers. Number 3. Visit manufacturer's website. If updating the driver, though the device manager does not work, try downloading the latest driver from the manufacturer website. Look for the support or download section on the website and search for your device model number and the appropriate driver. After downloading, extract the driver.zip file and open the folder that you got after extracted. Now copy the path location and go to device manager by right click on Windows Start. Right click on device and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click next. Then click have disk button. Now paste here the path location that you have copied and click OK. Select the hardware model of your device and click next. That's it. Well, as you can see the message, Windows was successfully updated your drivers. Number 4. Uninstall and reinstall the driver. If any updating driver does not work, then try uninstalling the driver and perform a fresh and clean driver installation process. To uninstall the driver, right click on the device in the device manager and select uninstall device. Then restart your computer and it will reinstall the driver either through the device manager. Or you can reinstall the driver by downloading it from manufacturer website. Number 5. Use a driver update tool. If you are still having trouble with drivers, consider using a driver update tool to automatically scan your computer and download and install the latest driver. Here, I am using CCleaner Driver Updater utility. CCleaner Driver Updater is a utility tool that is designed to scan and update outdated or missing drivers on your computer. However, be sure to research and understand the risks and benefits of updating drivers by using CCleaner Driver Updater before proceeding. Okay, as you can see, all the device drivers are successfully installed. So, which is the best way to update device driver on your specific needs and preference? Let me know in the comment section. So, I hope this simple guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.